Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and I appreciate as always for you joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Well, this week we're going to be talking about what Microsoft's scheduling assistant is. It's helped me out, and I'm sure it might help you out, so we're going to go ahead and jump into that for this week's Tech Tip. What Microsoft Scheduling Assistant is whenever inside of your organization, through your Microsoft accounts, you're trying to schedule a meeting for a couple people at the exact same time, and maybe you're juggling everyone's schedule over email. And just to make it easier, Microsoft put a plugin to where you can actually just look at everyone's availability and schedule the meeting without having to communicate with everyone. So if you have a last minute meeting you put on the calendar, it just makes it a little bit easier for you to find out who's available and when they can meet up. So all you need to do is just open a new calendar invite like so, throw in a title, go ahead and invite the employees or anyone in the organization that you'd like to have a part of that meeting. And then in that top left corner, you'll see it says Scheduling Assistant. Go ahead and click that. That's going to load everyone's calendar, and it's going to put little purple boxes where people are available or when they're not available, and then it's going to be blank white when they are available. So once you see something that lines up for everyone that's available, go ahead and click that time, schedule that meeting, and then you're off and ready to go. Everyone will get it, and you automatically know everyone has that time free in their calendar. So once again, it only works internally inside of your Microsoft account. So if you're trying to schedule this with someone who is in a different company or not a part of your domain, unfortunately that capability is not there, but it does work internally with your existing domain and existing staff. If you do have any other questions about this, or if anything in IT in your company is driving you a little crazy, we'd love to chat with you about that and see if there's something we can do to help and assist. You can always reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I look forward to chatting with you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next week. Thanks so much.